The easiest way to edit the lock screen clock on your Android tablet is to go to the lock screen and then tap and hold any empty space on your lock screen. You'll see a menu open up that allows you to customize your lock screen, and this menu will look slightly different depending on what kind of Android tablet you're using. On some tablets, you'll see different wallpaper options here, and you'll need to kind of scroll down to view the clock options. If you're on a Samsung tablet like I am, you can simply tap the clock here, and the editing options will open. You can move the clock by dragging it on your screen, and pulling the corners allows you to resize it. On the bottom, you'll have your font, color, and style options. You can just change the font and color, or you can change to an entirely different type of clock if that's what you want. A lot of different options here to play with, so give it a go, see what looks the best, and once you're happy with your clock, you can just tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. The customizing menu can be different depending on what type of tablet you have, but the main steps are the same. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.